My name is Akan Andrew-Essien. I'll be talking on the classes of instruments from the western side. Number one is woodwind instruments. Woodwind instruments create sound when air is blown inside. They are predominantly made out of wood and are played using a wooden reed and metal keys. Examples are the clarinet and the saxophone. Number two is brass instruments. Brass instruments produce sound when the air is blown inside through the mouthpiece. They are made out of metal or brass and contain no wood or reed. Examples are trumpet or trombone. Number three is percussion instruments. These require you to strike, hit, shake, scrape, or whatever other method makes the instrument vibrate to produce sound. Example is drum or gong. Number four is string instruments. String instruments produce sound when its strings are plucked, bowed, using a bow, strummed, or hit directly by fingers. Example is a guitar or violin.